afternoon and welcome back to the Camarda Wealth channel. I am your host, Troy Lerche, bringing you this week in wealth. I want to apologize because I had some technical difficulties today and I was not able to get all the technology that I wanted to use to show you guys some of the triple tax advantage of the HSA accounts. But I promise you I'm going to get it done this week early, and Kim Camarda is our technology guru, so she's really going to help me out and make sure I can put together the presentation for you. We'll hop right into the CAPE indicators, up a little bit, 37.93, up from 37.63 last week. We still have 4 of our 4 indicators are green, even though they are getting closer to, we are monitoring them closely with the recent volatility in the markets. This time of year, we do see a lot of, and with the current proposals out there in the government, we do see some volatility this time of year, and we're on high alert. And just to let you know, we're watching your money every single day, and we'll keep you informed as new developments happen. The U.S. markets last week, most of the benchmarks had gains for the week. We had the S&P 500 recovered most of its losses from the prior week. Energy stocks led the week in gains as natural gas prices reached all-time highs in Europe, and major oil exporters decided not to increase production. We had the S&P finish up the week 0.8%, mid caps up 0.2%, and the Russell 2000 actually finished the week down a little bit, 0.4%. In international markets, majority of the international markets finished the week in the green, with international developed markets ending flat, and then emerging markets rose 1%. Commodities, precious metals were mixed, where gold was down just a fraction and silver was up 0.75%. And copper actually had a decent gain of 2.1%. And oil rose for the 7th consecutive week and gained 4.6%. So I'm sure you're seeing that those increases at the gas pump. I know I drove this weekend and filled up, and it was over, 310, 315 a gallon down the 95 corridor. In August 2020, the Federal Reserve adopted a new framework that made it clear the central bank wouldn't raise interest rates until inflation rose over 2%. And at that time, the economists thought that was a high hurdle, but recent surge in prices of goods and services over the past years clearly cleared that hurdle very easily. The prices have jumped 5.3% over the past year using the better known Consumer Price Index, CPI, and they're up 4.3% in the last 12 months using the Fed's preferred personal consumption expenditure inflation gauge. And lastly, Pfizer, the world's 3rd largest pharmaceutical company based on prescription drug sales, is receiving a massive injection of revenue from its COVID-19 vaccine. Pfizer projects revenue will almost double in 2021 compared to 2020. BNT162b2, as Pfizer's vaccine is officially called, is expected to account for more than 40% of Pfizer's revenue for the year, dwarfing any other drug in its vast portfolio. So I hope you all, I know it's a short video, but I promise you I'll work on it this week for next week's HSA topic. I hope everybody has a great week, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.